Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? I've got a dead battery on my bike. The battery's no good. I need to get a new one. But look, I wanted to try this with the DeWalt battery. Now, note it's a big flex 20 volt, 60 volt battery. So I rigged up some wires on it with some clips. See, right now, I go to try to start my bike. Nothing. Dead battery. Now I'm going to show you. Battery's hooked up. It's an old battery. So I'm going to take the hot from this side. It's on the battery. I'm going to stick it over here onto this battery terminal. Sorry, I'm trying to use both hands. Stick it on this battery terminal. Like that. I'll take this ground. The ground's on here also. I'll take it and put it over here on the ground side. All you do is just touch it. Now watch. Watch how much power and juice it does. Unbelievable. Fucking believable. I'm sorry, but I didn't think that would work. Now I got me a battery boost box I can keep with me on my bike. DIY jump pack. Alright, see it's hooked up? Alright. Turn the key off. Key's off. I'm going to disconnect the one wire. Now watch. Battery shot. I touch it back to the ground. Just let it touch. You ain't gotta hook it on. Just let it touch it. Look. Oh, it's not on there. The positive came off. Alright, now watch. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And this battery right here, this battery only has one bar. It's not even charged. That is crazy. Well, I know where this is going. In the back of my bike. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. I just wanted to share this with you. It really does work if you having this problem or experiencing a bad battery on your motorcycle or whichever. It might even crank up a vehicle, who knows. If you don't mind, please hit the like button, subscribe, share the video so we can get more people to see this. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for taking the time out. And God bless.